Morning everyone. In previous video we were discussing uh, adaptation for protection. Some animals have the body covering, camouflage, move in the groups, and migration. Adaptation in breathing we have discussed already. There are the aquatic animals, they are having the gills, and while the terrestrial, arboreal and aerial animals, they breathe through the lungs. Amphibians like frog, salamander, they breathe through their moist skin and lungs. Amphibians, animals that live on land as well as in water, they are known as the amphibians. When the amphibians live on the land, they breathe with the help of the lungs. When they live in the water, they breathe through their moist skin. Now next we have discussed adaptation for catching prey. Some herbivores, they are having the flat molar teeth to eat. Carnivores, they are having sharp canines and incisors. And chameleon frog, they are having the sticky tongues to catch insects. Then adaptation for coping with extreme temperature. If temperature is the cold or high, how animals adapt themselves? So next is adaptation. For coping with extreme temperature. Desert animals sweat and urinate very less. Those who are the desert animals, just like the camel, they urinate and sweat. उनको पसीना और टॉयलेट कम आता है. Have very large ear to lose heat. They are having the big ear, and big ear helps in lose the heat. Plants in the desert have the needle-like leaves. For example, cactus, they are having needle-like leaves. Some spines are there, and these features help to plant survive in the desert. To prevent the loss of these spines, prevent loss of the water through the transmissions. Next, animals that live in cold environment have the fur on their skin to prevent the heat loss. This helps them to survive in the extremely low temperature. There are the two terms. One is the hibernation. Hibernation, it means animals go for a long sleep during the winter, is called the hibernation. Hibernation, animals go for a long sleep during winter. Is called hibernation. Definition is clear. Animals go for a long sleep during the winter is called the hibernation. During the winter they go for a long sleep, they inactive during the winter, and this phenomenon is known as the hibernation. Now second term is the estivation. Estivation, animals go for a long sleep during summer is called estivation. Okay, now it is clear. Hibernation and estivation, these two terms clear. Animals go for a long sleep during the winter. During winter, it is known as the hibernation. Animals go for a long sleep during summer. It is known as the estivation. Some animals like the wood, frogs, ground squirrels, hamsters, bats and bears hibernate through the winter. They go into a very deep sleep. These animals retreat to a den or a burrow, यानी अपने रहने के लिए अपने एक गुफा खोद लेते हैं for protection and shelter. During the hibernation, body temperature and rate of the breathing of animals drops. बहुत ही कम हो जाता है, लो हो जाता है. तो this situation is known as the hibernation. In a very simple words, you can say animals go for a long sleep during the winter is called the hibernation, and estivation, animals go for a long sleep during the summer is known as the estivation.